The armed forces of Russia and Ukraine reported progress from front line May 19. The armed clashes between two sides have occurred in several areas. In Artyomovsk tactical direction, the Russian assault detachments continue fighting in the west part of the city. The Yug Group's units immobilized the enemy's action, covering the actions of the assault detachments. Operational tactical and army aviation and artillery of the Yug Group of Forces have inflicted a fire damage on the enemy's manpower and hardware close to Kalinovka, Chasov Yar, Krasnoye, Donetsk People's Republic. Over the past day, Russian aircraft have made 5 sorties. The group's artillery have performed 68 firing missions, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry Spokeperson Lieutenant General Igor Konashenkov says. Over 70 Ukrainian servicemen and mercenaries, 2 infantry fighting vehicles, 1 armored personnel carrier, 3 pickup trucks, a Gvozdika self-propelled artillery system, and 2 US-made TPQ-50 counter-battery radar stations were eliminated in the fighting. The Russian Defense Ministry Spokeperson Lieutenant General Igor Konashenkov May 18 said in total the armed forces of Ukraine lost 428 fighter jets and 234 helicopters, 4,218 unmanned aerial vehicles, 423 air defense missile systems. Also 9,227 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,100 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,852 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,304 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. The armed forces of Ukraine in an official statement said Russia lost 660 servicemen in a single day, including 4 tanks, 4 armored personnel vehicles, 12 artillery systems as well as 10 drones and 21 cruise missiles were shot down. In total, Moscow lost 201,760 servicemen since the beginning of Russia's full-scale invasion. The other footage, the armed forces of Ukraine carry out an amphibious assault exercise. During training, Ukrainian servicemen try to bring the conditions as close as possible to combat conditions, so that the fighters understand that the outcome of the operation depends on their ability to act as a team.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!